This country has a majority of young people. Prime Minister Modi is the most anti-youth Prime Minister India has ever had. The boys and girls who are walking the streets of Delhi are not criminals. They are demanding their rights. Their rights are to have an education system that respects them, to have an education system that is fair, to have an education system that is working. There's absolutely nothing wrong in what they're doing, and it's disgusting what the government is doing and what the police is doing. This is absolutely no way to behave. Tear gassing students, lathi charging students is not democratic. It's not India's way, and it is not the way this should be done. They have legitimate demands. The Prime Minister should accept these demands and do something about it. Everybody is sick and tired of the way our education system is running. Everybody is sick and tired of how the RSS has captured our education system and how all our institutions are being run by one organization. This is a natural response that the young people of India are making, and it should be respected. We've been raising this issue not for weeks or months, we've been raising it for years. There's a fundamental problem, and Modi disrespects all the young people of this country. All they believe in is asatya and hinsa, which are the anti-Indian principles. Thank you.
It's ridiculous. हमारे ही बच्चे हैं, देश का भविष्य है, ये संसद उन्हीं का है, किसी की जागीर नहीं है। कुछ मतलब जेन्युइन समस्या है। हम सब, राहुल जी कितने समय से इस समस्या को रेज कर रहे हैं, इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। हम सब कह रहे हैं डिस्कस करो, एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, बड़े बड़े इश्यूज हैं, आप डिस्कस करने के लिए राजी नहीं है, और बच्चों पे आप टीयर गैस कर रहे हो और उनकी पिटाई कर रहे हो। किस लिए? बच्चे हमारे।
Today regarding the first day of Parliament's monsoon session, what do you want to say?
We have given already notice and spoke about that. The NEET examination, which has taken several lives, and government is not taking care of students. और ये तो स्टूडेंट्स को मारने का काम सरकार कर रही है। भाई आपको एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट करने को नहीं आता तो आप छोड़ो, दूसरे और किसी को दो। तो ये सरकार आज स्टूडेंट्स पे जो लाठीचार्ज की, नौजवान बच्चों पे जो किए, ये डेमोक्रेसी पे हमला है। और जो लोग अपने बात रखने के लिए दिल्ली आते हैं, उनके ऊपर ऐसी लाठीचार्ज अगर होती है और उनको अगर ऐसा डराया जाता है तो ये डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है। और सरकार